Hello, introducing the Working Group 10. Alison Clare, Tony Clare, THEA Charles, Steve FREZZA, Mirella Gutica, Barry LUNT, Francesco MAIORANA, Francois PITT, ARNOLD PEARS, Charles Riedesel, Justina Sienkiewicz, and Abhijat Uchari. Over to Alison Clare.
Good evening. I'm going to talk about the Working Group 10 and what we have been doing with our working group. First of all, I just have to share the screen and bring up the working group presentation. Okay, we have decided that we are trying to develop competency statements for computer science curricula. We started with the CC2020 project, which was a project initiated by ACM and IEEE CS to produce a modern replacement for CC2005, which is now, of course, 15 years old. So the CC2020 project examined the current state of the curricular guidelines and is providing a vision for the future. It looks at all areas of computing and all the curricular guidelines. Then this working group is looking at the CS2013 Computer Science curriculum, which has been approved by ACM and IEEE. It has 18 knowledge areas, KA, and those are made up of 229, some may be overlapping, knowledge units. They set out a set of topics and learning outcomes that have to be achieved. So this is all knowledge-based and learning outcomes. Knowledge-based learning is expressed through learning outcomes, which are written statements of what a learner is expected to know. However, the CC2020 project has adopted competency as a way forward for all future computing curriculum. Competency involves knowledge, plus skills, plus disposition in a professional context, in a task. This is different from knowledge-based, which is just knowledge and skills. What we're trying to do is add the personal qualities or the dispositions in. So what is competency? Well, it is where knowledge and skills and dispositions meet. That is competency. This is a competency model that was created by Working Group 6 in THEA 2016, where we talk about the skills, which are the know-how, the knowledge, which is the know-what, and the dispositions, which is the know-why, and it all must be done in a context. So, competency equals knowledge, know-what, skill, know-how, and disposition, know-why, all within a task. The knowledge areas in CS 2013, 8 of them are listed. They also, Working Group 10 has got 10 skills: remembering, understanding, applying, analysing, evaluating, and creating. We also have 11 dispositions that we're working with, from proactive to inventive. So while we have one word to describe them, there are related synonyms, and there are also descriptions for each disposition, as well as the initial word. The CC2020 working group, CC2020 project, is also creating online visualization tools for all curricula. So we have framing the competency statements that we are creating so that they can be input into the 2020 visualization tool. The working group goal is to redevelop the CS 2013 learning outcomes based on statements in terms of the new CC 2020 competency-based approach. We're going to offer concrete examples of how to transition a computing curriculum from a traditional learning outcomes orientation to one that's based on competencies. So let's look at a sample CS 2013 learning outcome. The one that we have is from CS Networks, and it's reliable data delivery. There has 4 topics: error control, flow control, performance issues, and TCP. And it also has 3 learning outcomes with a mastery level involved. So what we would do is to try and create that as a competency one so that we actually add the dispositions within the task to it. We would say that the competency statement is capable of analysing, proposing approaches to dealing with different situations that arise in managing data transfer and communication over a lossy medium channel based on contextually relevant priorities and desired outcomes. So now the why is actually put into that statement of why the students need to do it. The dispositions are the purposefulness, professional, meticulous, and adaptable, and they're all aligned to the knowledge. So we hope you have a great Industry Conference. We've had a very exciting working group, and we're still working on creating many more competency statements for the CS 2013 curriculum. Bye everyone.